are you all bachas? Do you know me? हाँ मुझे पता है that you don't know me, or else if your brother or sister was studying in third standard like last year, then आपने शायद कहीं पे मुझे आते जाते देखा होगा when you were not attending the lectures or when your brother or sister were attending the lectures. Okay, so let me introduce myself first of all. I am Asha Bhavsar. Okay, means your Asha ma'am only precisely, and I'm going to take English 1 this year. ठीक है, हम English 1 पढ़ाई करेंगे. हम English 1 में you know that English 1 is for grammar. Yes, okay. Your English 2 that is literature teacher will be somebody else's. कोई और आपको पढ़ाएगा English 2, but here I am for English 1. Okay, so let us start it. चालू करें आज. देखो, इन द जूम लेक्चर ओनली आई एम गोइंग टू टेक द इंट्रोडक्शन सेशन ऑफ योर्स बिकॉज आई डोंट नो यू ना. मुझे आपको मतलब आप कौन हो मुझे नहीं पता है. सो इन आवर जूम लेक्चर्स ओनली आई एम गोइंग टू टेक द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ. वहाँ पे हम बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे, बट टुडे ओनली आई एम गोइंग टू लाइक टेक दिस चैप्टर नंबर 1, that is alphabet fun. It is in your English 1. हाँ, remember that. Okay, चलो let us start it. So कौन बताएगा मुझे what is alphabet fun means? What are the alphabets? You know that. ठीक है, आपने अपने like we can say that in your that senior KG or junior KG you have studied what is alphabet fun. Okay, so on the basis of these alphabets only we are going to prepare this chapter. Let me tell you guys, this is the most easiest chapters. बहुत easy है बेटा, इसमें कुछ नहीं करना है. Okay, so I have created this beautiful slide for you, alphabet fun. Okay, now let us move to the next slide. Now in this what are our learning goals? Okay, goal का मतलब होता है कि हम ये चैप्टर में क्या करने वाले हैं. So let me tell you guys. First is I understand the rules for the alphabetizing words. Okay, इतना ज़्यादा कुछ हाइपर होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है दैट मैम ये क्या है अल्फ़ाबेटाइजिंग. सो व्हाट इज़ दिस बेटा? Okay, that I'll let you know afterwards only. Let us clear with the slide only. I can put a list of words in alphabetical order. So your one word is coming alphabetical order. Now what is alphabetical order? For knowing that we have to move to the next slide. Okay, चलो. अभी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड क्या है? येस, इट्स अ कलरफुल स्लाइड. नहीं, बहुत अच्छी कलरफुल स्लाइड है. यू कैन सी दैट. ओके, एंड आई हैव लाइक रिटन लाइक व्हाट आर द ABCs. ओके, आपको पता है ना बच्चा व्हाट आर ABCs? Yes, so let us sing a song for that ABC. Okay, मुझे पता है that your teacher was singing ABC before you many times, but for ABC ना I am remembering one like song. हमने वो song बहुत बार सुना है कि I love this song much. So let us sing it. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z I love you, है ना? Yes, आपने सुना है ना ये वाला सॉन्ग? हाँ, so these the same are the same ABC is there. Okay, and why I am going like why am I am sharing this slide with you? Because for knowing what is alphabetical order, ABC आना बहुत ज़रूरी है. और मुझे पता है आपको सबको ABC बहुत अच्छे से आता है ना. इवन सम ऑफ द किड्स मनाली मेंबर्स सेइंग कि मेरे इतने बच्चे तो इतना अच्छा इतना खूबसूरती से लिखते, दे आर राइटिंग कर्सिव लाइक दैट ओनली. ओके, सो येस वी आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू राइट दीज वर्ड्स इन और दीज लेटर्स इन आवर नोटबुक वेन एवर आई बी गिविंग द होमवर्क टू यू. बट लेट अस मूव टू द चैप्टर नाउ. ओके, सो दीज आर जस्ट उसको देखो. फर्स्ट इज A, second is B, third is C. So this way you have to arrange the words in an alphabetical order. Let us move to the next slide for the same. Now, so this is the basic information which I have shared with you. You know that in ABC there are 26 letters. ठीक है, 26 letters होते हैं A, B, C. If you count on the finger, then A to Z are total 26 letters. Okay, A is a letter, B is a letter, C is a letter, and that way A to Z are 26 letters. याद रखना. हाँ, मैम कैन ask you in the next meeting के how many letters are there in ABC? So you would say 26 letters. Okay, now two types of sounds are there in ABC. You have studied the same thing in your senior KG, junior KG, first standard, second standard. You have studied the same. Okay, who are vowels and consonants, or what are vowels and consonants? So you know that two types of speeches are there, vowels and consonant. Any word can be made up of vowels and consonants, and you know that 5 vowels are there. What is that 5? What are the those 5 vowels? Okay, so you know that A, E, I, O, U. IU. Okay, the pronunciation of these words are IU. Okay, so that is A, E, I, O, U. And the letters other than the vowels are called consonants. Okay, I am going to share the slide with you for the same. Okay, this is just for the information. ये मैंने सिर्फ आपको information के लिए, and for the reviving your knowledge, I have shared the same screen with you. Okay, now let us move to the next one. Okay, so here I have given the list of the vowels and consonants. Okay, A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, and other letters other than this A, E, I, O, U, like B, C, D, F, G, and so on are the consonants. Okay, so now our chapter is coming, that is alphabetical order. So you have seen that 3 figures are there, A, B, C. Okay, so this is called alphabetical order. I have given the definition also. Now here let me introduce the same thing. First of all, what is alphabetical order? So alphabetical order means arranging the words A, B, C wise. Whatever words are there with you, if you are going to arrange them A, B, C wise, means whatever word is coming first, like A word is coming, B word is coming, like if 3 or 4 words are there, so you have to arrange them in their order, that is A, B, C wise. So that is called alphabetical order. उसको बोलते हैं alphabetical order. Let us take an example. No doubt I am going to share one activity also there. Only your knowledge will be cleared, like what we are going to do in this chapter. But let me give you 2 simple examples. Okay, 2 words I am giving you. That is apple and ball. 2 words are there. First word is starting with the letter A, and the second word is starting with the letter B. So, if you are going to arrange these words in an alphabetical order, what you need to do? आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? So, whoever word is coming first, like A से शुरू होता है एक word, if it is coming first, you are going to write apple first. आप पहले apple लिखोगे, and then only you are going to write ball, because apple is starting with the word or letter A, ball is starting with the letter B. तो आप बोलोगे मैम एप्पल विल कम फर्स्ट एज इट इज कमिंग फर्स्ट इन ABC, एंड आफ्टर दैट ओनली बी वर्ड दैट इज बॉल विल कम. ओके, सो दीज आर द सिंपल एग्जाम्पल्स ओनली. तो आपने तो इसको फटाफट अरेंज कर दिया. बट इफ आई वुड से लेट मी गिव यू 3 वर्ड्स. अगर मैं आपको 3 कोई वर्ड दे दूँ, जैसे कि योर पेन, PEN पेन. Second is your eraser, ERASER eraser, and third let us take your water bottle. Okay, so 3 words are there with you: pen or the pencil, eraser, and water bottle. So between these 3 words, which word will come first? You have to speak your ABC in your mind. आपको अपनी ABC अपने mind में बोलनी होगी, and after that you are going to arrange the words. उसके बाद आपको सारे words arrange करने पड़ेंगे. Okay, so we are having 3: pencil, eraser, and water bottle. Okay, so pencil is starting with the word P, so you have to remember P in mind. Then second was eraser. Eraser is starting with the word E, so P, E, and the third word is water bottle. So water bottle is starting with the letter W. Okay, so here 3 letters are there with you: P, that is for pencil, E, that is for eraser, and W for the water bottle. Okay, so 3 words are there: P, E, W. Now you have to speak an ABC: A, B, C, D, E. So you are having a word E, आपके पास E है, so you will write the whole word, that is eraser first. Okay, then you are having the other word, that is E के बाद F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So we are having the word P, that is for pencil. So we are going to write pencil after eraser, and then W is coming at the last. You know that W, X, Y, Z. So W will come last. So you will keep water bottle at the last. This is what we are going to do. So easy. कितना easy है? Okay, हमको कुछ नहीं करना है. We are going to like arrange the words alphabetically. Whatever alphabets are there, just these A, B, C, D are the alphabets, है ना? So accordingly we are going to arrange them as in alphabetical order. Got it? कुछ करना है, no doubt. If you will not understand the same thing, or if you have not understood the same thing, I am going to share the activity with you. There only your knowledge will be clear. So don't worry. Okay, so let us move to the next slide. Okay, now here 4 stages of alphabetizing. Alphabetizing means arrange the words in an alphabetical order. That is called alphabetizing. So don't confuse with the words. It is too long. ये word बहुत लंबा है, but we'll call it as alphabetical order only. Okay, so there are 4 stages. First of all, you have to put the letters in order. जितने भी letters है आपको उसको order में arrange करना है. Alphabetize to the first letter. फिर आपको फर्स्ट लेटर को उसको अल्फाबेट वाइज अरेंज करना है. देन थर्ड इज अल्फाबेटाइज टू दी सेकेंड एंड द थर्ड लेटर. ओके, ये आपको कब समझ में आएगा? टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड ओनली आपको ये समझ में आएगा. एंड लर्न द एडवांस्ड रूल्स व्हिच इज नॉट देयर इन योर सिलेबस. सो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू गो फॉर दैट स्टेज 4. हम 4 की बात अभी नहीं करेंगे. विल कीप आवर सिलेबस टिल 3 स्टेजेस ओनली. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू पुट द लेटर्स इन ऑर्डर. एक ऑर्डर में आप रख दोगे. उसके बाद द फर्स्ट लेटर जो भी होगा उसको आप अरेंज करोगे, अल्फाबेट वाइज अरेंज करोगे. एंड द थर्ड, सेकेंड और थर्ड लेटर को भी अरेंज करोगे. अभी ये सेकेंड और थर्ड क्या है? तो हियर द प्रॉब्लम इज देयर. लाइक इफ आई गिव 2 words to you, which words I'm going to give you? That is cup and cat. 2 words are there, cup and cat. Okay, the ma'am has given you 2 words, cup and cat. So sorry. So cup means CUP cup, cat means CAT cat. तो आप बोलोगे मैम नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. आपने बोला था दैट फर्स्ट लेटर यू हैव टू सी एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू कीप लाइक यू हैव टू अरेंज द वर्ड्स इन एन अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. नाउ वी आर हैविंग बिग कंफ्यूजन. हमारे पास तो एक कंफ्यूजन आ गया दैट बोथ द वर्ड्स आर स्टार्टिंग विद द सेम लेटर. आप तो बोलोगे दोनों के दोनों वर्ड्स तो सेम लेटर से शुरू हो रहे हैं. अब हम क्या करेंगे? सो हियर डोंट वरी, मैम is going to give you the shortcut for the same thing. मैम ने एक आपको सीक्रेट बताने जा रहे. जस्ट कीप लिसनिंग. हाँ, यू हैव टू अटेंटिव ओनली. ओके, बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क द सेम क्वेश्चंस इन आवर Zoom lectures only, and the students who are going to give the correct answers, I'm going to give them high five. Okay, so keep listening. Okay, just आप यहाँ पे सुनो. Now what you have to do, if the words are starting or if the words are like coming with the same letters, अगर एक ही वर्ड है उसी से शुरू हो रहे हैं तो what we need to do? Don't worry. What we need to do? फर्स्ट तो सेम है ना, जस्ट कीप द लेटर असाइड. उसको थोड़ा साइड पे खिसका दो. दैट सी यू जस्ट गो एंड रेस्ट नाउ. ओके, बिकॉज आपका कोई काम नहीं है. यू आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द सेम लेटर ना, सो जस्ट कीप रेस्ट. नाउ व्हाट वी नीड टू डू? We have to jump on the second letter. Okay, what we are going to do? If any words or the words which you are going to arrange in an alphabetical order, if the first letter is same of those words, you are going to jump to the second letter. Got it? क्या करोगे? फर्स्ट को साइड पे रख दोगे. यू विल कीप असाइड द फर्स्ट लेटर एंड यू आर गोइंग टू जंप ऑन द सेकेंड लेटर. वेरी गुड. ओके, सो CUP cup, CAT cat, these 2 words are there with us. ओके, तो CCC साइड पे हो गया. नाउ सेकेंड, दोनों में सेकेंड लेटर कौन सा है? याद करो, CAT cat means A is there on the second position, and cup के पास सेकेंड पोजिशन पे कौन है? U. तो अब दिस इज नाउ इट इज गोइंग टू बी इजी फॉर यू कि नाउ वी आर हैविंग यू एंड वी आर हैविंग ए बिकॉज वी हैव केप्ट साइड सी, हमने सी को साइड पे रख दिया है. सो नाउ वी आर हैविंग यू एंड ए. तो आप बोलोगे मैम दिस इज वेरी इजी, दिस इज वेरी सिंपल, आई एम गोइंग टू डू इट ओनली, क्योंकि यू नो दैट ए इज द फर्स्ट लेटर, है ना. ए तो फर्स्ट लेटर है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू कीप ए फर्स्ट एंड वी आर गोइंग टू कीप यू एट द सेकेंड. सो हाउ वी आर, अभी क्या हो गया, वी हैव मेड इट सिंपलर ओनली, है ना, कि CAT cat will come first and after that CUP cup will come. So easy, हो गया ना, खत्म बात, right? So if the first letter of the words are same, तो उसको कैसे अरेंज करेंगे? We have to jump on the second letter and then only we are going to do the question. We are going to solve the question. हमारा एक मार्क clear. You are going to get bravo. You are going to get bravo only for the same. हो गया ना, खत्म. Okay, so that way we are going to do. अभी I am going to ask you the most important and most, like we can say that the die-hard question to you. Okay, if two words will be same, then what you will do? दो सेम होंगे, if the first two letters will be same, then very good, you are so intelligent. I can hear the answers of yours though we are on this screen. So yes, you are correct that if first two letters will be same, then you are going to jump to the third letter. अगर दो सेम दे दिए तो क्या करोगे? थर्ड लेटर पे जंप करोगे. सो इजी. एंड इफ द थर्ड विल बी सेम, you will jump fourth letter. If fourth will be same, you are going to jump fifth letter, and that way onwards you are going to solve your answer, you are going to solve your question. Okay, so let us move to the next slide. So these are the rules which I have already discussed. Okay, so first is when words start with a different letter, use the first letter of each word to put the words in ABC order, that is alphabetical order. Okay, ABC order means alphabetical order. Here so examples have been given to you, like buddy. Buddy starting with B. Buddy means अपना जो पक्का दोस्त होता है ना, हाँ, गहरा भाईबंद होता है, that is called buddy. Okay, so buddy is starting with B. Friend is starting with F, and pal means a boy only. Okay, and that is starting with P. All are the similar words, huh? Buddy, friend, pal, that these all are the similar words only. But you can see that they have arranged the words in an alphabetical or that ABC order. Okay, so B वाला word हमने पहले रखा है because B is coming first in ABC. Okay, and then F is coming and afterwards P is coming. So that is why that way we have arranged the words. Now, rule number 2, when the words start with the same letter, use the next letter that is different in each word to put the words in ABC order, which I have already explained. है ना, आपने समझ भी लिया है. So this is just revision we are doing. Like here देखो, soji, spoiled and stew. These three are the words. Okay, I'm going to okay, so this is your small homework only. ठीक है, no doubt I supposed to like give the meanings of these words, but सारा कुछ मैं ही बता दूंगी तो आप क्या करोगे? कुछ नहीं. So that is why this is your small homework. You have to tell me the meanings of 3 words in our Zoom lecture. Got it? Okay, I'm not going to tell you. Okay, so the first word, you can see that there, S. Same. So what ma'am has said to us, ma'am has like give the shortcut to us that if the first letter will be same, then we are going to jump on the second letter. And what is the second letter? So you can see that in soji, O is the second letter, in spoiled P is the second letter, and in stew T is the second letter. So O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. So O word has come put forward, that is in first position. Spoiled word has been on the second, is on the second position, and stew word is on the third position. Chalo, I'm going to finish the lecture only. Okay, so yes, that way we are going to solve. Here about the now. Okay, so one word is written over that dictionary. तो आपको ये क्वेश्चन तो हुआ ही होगा. नो मुझे पता है दैट हुआ ही होगा बिकॉज सम स्मार्ट स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर इन माय क्लास. सो उनको लगा होगा व्हाई दिस चैप्टर, what is the need of teaching or what is the need of studying this chapter. मुझे नहीं पढ़ना है ये फालतू सा चैप्टर. बट नहीं, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज अ वर्ड हैज बीन रिटन दैट डिक्शनरी. अभी मैंने जो बोला ना ऊपर के 3 वर्ड ढूंढ के लाना, तो डोंट गो फॉर दैट गूगल, हाँ, और आई वुड आस्क योर पेरेंट्स दैट हाउ यू हैव फाउंड दोज 3 वर्ड्स। पूछने वाली हूँ मैं इन जूम, आई एम गोइंग टू कम इन जूम ओनली फॉर टेकिंग योर इंग्लिश 1। डोंट गो फॉर गूगल। इफ जस्ट आस्क योर पेरेंट्स अबाउट द डिक्शनरी। नाउ व्हाट इज डिक्शनरी? किसी को पता है? और someone has used the dictionary before? तो yes, many of the students is using dictionary because I am also using the dictionary only. Now only what is dictionary beta? So dictionary is the group of words with their meanings, है ना, क्योंकि सारे वर्ड्स तो किसी को पता नहीं होते, जैसे आपको नहीं पता होगा इन 3 वर्ड्स का मतलब, तो आप कहाँ पे ढूंढोगे? यू विल गो फॉर द डिक्शनरी टू सर्च द वर्ड्स, लाइक व्हाट आर द मीनिंग्स ऑफ दीज वर्ड्स. सो व्हाट इज डिक्शनरी बेटा? सो डिक्शनरी इज द ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स विथ देयर मीनिंग्स. So many in all the languages dictionaries are available, like in English to Gujarati, Gujarati to English, English to Marathi, English to Bangla. So many languages are there in our country or in our world also, है ना. So yes, different dictionaries are there. और dictionary में क्या होता है पता है? जैसे अगर मैंने बोला कि just okay you have to search सोची, so dictionary may be of like thousands of words, combination of thousands of words are there. ठीक है, हजारों वर्ड्स होते हैं उसमें. तो आप मतलब आपके पास पूरा दिन है क्या इतना ज़्यादा सर्च करने के लिए? सो फॉर दैट alphabetical order will help you, because these dictionary creators are the masters. What they have done to like we can say that हमको हमारा काम आसान करने के लिए, to make our work easier, they have arranged all the words in an alphabetical order. सारे वर्ड्स को उन्होंने अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में ही रखा है. सो आपको क्या करना है? यू हैव टू गो टू दैट SO पेज ओनली फॉर फाइंडिंग दैट सोजी, ओके, एंड देन यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द वर्ड easily. So for that also this alphabetical order is very important. So it is not a faltu chapter, हाँ, remember this will very help you whenever you are going to find any word on dictionary. This will help you, this process will help you, okay. So here some of the words have been given, like cat, elephant, ant, dog, beaver, giraffe, okay, all the words are there, and you have to arrange them in an alphabetical order. So here the answers already I have given you, okay. मैंने इसके answers भी आपको दे दिए थे, like here ant, चीटी is coming first, so you have kept over there. beaver एक तरह का एनिमल होता है, ठीक है. आई एम जब आप जूम में आओगे ना, तब मैं इसकी पिक्चर दिखाऊंगी, ठीक है, बीवर की. सो हियर B is there, C is there, D word is also there, E is also there, giraffe, G is also there. So these were in A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These way only the words were starting, ठीक है. लेकिन प्रैक्टिकली आपको इस तरह का बोलते ना ट्रीटमेंट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू, हाँ. आई गिव यू द वर्ड्स लाइक दैट ओनली. फॉर दैट यू हैव टू स्पीक ABC, you have to keep ABC in your mind, and then you have to do your example. खत्म चैप्टर. एनीथिंग इज रिमेनिंग? मुझे नहीं लगता दैट एनी क्वेश्चन इज गोइंग टू कम, लेकिन फिर भी इफ एनी डाउट, एनी क्वेरी यू हैव नोटिस, or you देखो, it is my practice, like whenever you are seeing or you are watching my videos or any teacher's video, keep a pen and a notebook with you. Whenever you will find okay ये समझ में नहीं आया मैम मुझे, तो you have to pause the video. It is the facility available with you nowadays. So you have to pause the video, you have to note the doubt, and whenever our Zoom lecture will be there, you will ask me the question about that. Clear? Am I clear to you? Yes, I know that you are very smart. Okay, so I am ending here with this beautiful side for saying thank you for listening to me. Okay, now I hope that you have noted all the doubts and queries in the notebook, and you are going to ask me about the same in your Zoom lecture. Okay, so till then I'm going to share a small activity about this chapter with this video only, so you have to go for that activity now. Okay, वो activity भी देख लेना, so that practical part will be clear in your mind. Okay, चलो, let us say tata bye bye now. Okay, but be safe at your home. भटकना नहीं, आजू बाजू कहीं निकलना नहीं काम के बिना, ठीक है. कोरोना इज देयर ओनली. ओके, चलो बेटा, बाय बेटा, वेरी गुड. ओके, हैव अ गुड डे.